everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all okay. Today I have a makeup look on this look here. It is a Khloe Kardashian New Year's Eve inspired makeup and hair look. I did do hair, even though these curls are very tighter than the curls I usually do. I did it. I absolutely fell in love with this look when I saw it on her Instagram and I was like, I have to recreate it. I have to recreate it. So I did. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you guys are interested in getting this look, then please keep watching. So I'm just going to go in with my Urban Decay B6 Vitamin Infused Complexion Prep Spray. This is in a MAC's Fix Plus bottle because I prefer the nozzle than I do on the Urban Decay one. Then I'm going to go in with the MAC Prep and Prime Essential Oil Stick all over my face. And then I'm going to take the Makeup Forever Smoothing Primer. I actually want to add like a bit of a golden glow, so I'm going to go in with the Gerard Cosmetics BB Plus Illumination Cream. I'm just going to take this on my fingers, which I never ever do. I can't see a brush that I want to use. I'm just going to pop this in my high point, so everywhere that I usually like highlight with. So I'm going to go in and do my brows. As always, I will skim through this and leave my tutorial down bar down below. So I'm going to go in and do skin. I have a sample of the new NARS foundation. What's it called now? All Night Natural Radiant All Night Foundation. No, that's the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, I think that's right. I've got the shade Valencia as well. That is what the shade looks like. Paint some on the face and then we're going to blend it out with a damp beauty blender. Going in with my Morphe blender, Flawless Beauty Sponge, I think is the name. Oh, this foundation looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. So it's a little bit more like, it looks a little bit reddish, but I mean, I'll blend it out, I'll make it work. I should go in and conceal and highlight my face. This is the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in the shade 1 Fair. We've got a bit there, definitely a bit on her chin, and then definitely the under eyes. Blender again. Chin concealer, girl. I don't like it. And then set out in place, I'm actually going to take these two. This is MAC's Emphasize Shaping Powder. This is Anastasia's Banana. MAC are discontinuing my favourite product, my Mineralized Loose Powder, so I need to use that sparingly. I'm going to take this under the jawline, not the jawline, the cheekbones, just to shape that area. I'm going to set my brows first with the Collection Brow Set Mascara Gel, whatever the shebang you want to call it. Right, I'm going to take the Nubian palette from Juvia's Place, my new fave brand ever. Khloe literally looks like she's got some warm transitions in the crease and then like a gold on the lid. So I'm going to take a mixture of these two top matte shades. I seriously obsess over this brand. They are so good. Khloe's just looks ever so more like slightly orange. I'm literally just going to take Early Bird from Makeup Geek, which is the middle one. By the way, this is a Morphe M514 brush. I'm just going to, there we go. There we go. Just slightly on top. Back in with that Juvia's Place one, I'm just going to take that gold shimmery one there. This is a MAC 242 brush with no adhesive on it. And she has this pretty much all over the lid. I'm going to intensify the lid ever so slightly using this Peaches makeup pigment in the shade Wow. I've got loads of their pigments and I've never used them, so I really want to. And I thought, what better time? I'm going to have to spray my brush for this one just because it's a loose powder. This is so pretty! Why have I never really... I've got so many of them as well, guys. Why have I never really used them? What the hell? Then I'm going to do the lower lash, and I'm pretty much just going to take the same shades and just buff it on the lower lash. Kinda close. This is with no added product, by the way. This is just what's left over on the brush. Brown there. I'm going to add a black liner, and I can't work out if she's got liquid liner on or not, but she definitely has a black in the waterline. What I'm going to do is curl my lashes and mascara at the falsies. I've got the falsies that they used. It was Lilly Lashes in Opulence. Lilly Lashes is my favourite brand of lashes, if you guys didn't know as well. And then once I've applied that, I'm going to come back on, and that's when I'm going to add the liquid liner. Plan. Okay, so looking at my difference and Chloe's difference, she's got liner on. There's no doubt about it. She got liner on. I'm gonna go in with the NYX matte liquid liner. From the side angle, it doesn't look like she has a wing. It looks like she's got a flick, which I've been thinking is an eyelash, but I think it's a flick. But I'm definitely just gonna go over the lash band, because hers looks like a lot darker than mine. Take the highlight that I'm going to use on my face, which is the Laura Geller Baked Illuminator in Gilded Honey. I'm going to take the Makeup Forever Pro Fusion Bronzer. Don't know the shade. Oh, this is the Marc Jacobs The Bronze Brush, because all my other brushes are dirty. And I've never used this on my skin. I usually use it as a nose contour, so I want to see what it's like by itself. See, in some pictures she looks super bronzed, and some pictures she just doesn't look that bronzed. Do you want to go a bit deeper than that? Yeah, just a tad. I'm going to take the Urban Decay Beach Bronzer in Bronze. I will be going in with that Makeup Forever one to do my nose. Her nose is very bronzed. I am going to do a tiny bit of liquid highlight because she looks super glowy. Glowy Khloe. Heard it here first. Trademark that. Taking the Iconics Illuminating Drops. These are the original ones. Just with a damp beauty blender. Well, Morphe one. Morphe blender. Her nose just looks so highlighted. So I'm actually going to do some on my nose. I never usually put liquid highlight on my nose and my chin, but hers just looks so glowy. I'm going to take that Laura Geller Gilded Honey. Laura Geller. And then she defo had, like here, as well. Yeah, just do a little bit on the cheek. Right, the lower lash is super dark on her. I'm just going to build up just the outer corner. I'm going to go with this. I'm just going to say yes. I'm going to set my face with Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray. Push it in with a damp beauty blender just so that it all sticks and gets to damn work. Right, lips. The artist said that she used Pure Hollywood from Anastasia and stripped lip gloss from NARS. I tried to get stripped lip gloss from NARS and they're sold out. So first I'm going to take Trendsetter lip liner from Huda. Pure Hollywood from Anastasia. It's a liquid lipstick. And then gloss. So I said I don't have the one that she used. She used Stripped by NARS if you guys are interested. But I'm just going to take this one from Glam Glow. It's a plump Rageous gloss lip plumper treatment. I just got the clear version. This is from NYX. This is in the shade Beige Pearl. Yeah, okay, so this is the completed makeup look. I am going to do my hair really quickly. I'll show you what wand I use and like seriously skim through it all because it's just curling hair. It's just curling hair. Okay, so evidently I don't have Chloe's length. I don't have weave in, unfortunately. So I'm just gonna be doing it from my length, which I am growing. It's growing. It's getting there. It's getting there. So I'm gonna take this Nubian wand. This is a smaller one than the one I usually use. So it's going to give me a bit more of a tighter curl because Chloe's ones, they're a bit more tighter than ones I use. They're still quite loose, but I do really loose ones. So I'm just going to use this wand. I got the Octo one from Nubian, so I have no idea like what number this is, but I'll tell you what it is in the ranking. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I'm just letting you know like that's the one I use. And then I have like my heat protectant and everything. So yes, I'm just going to divide my hair out. So I just take it from like ear to ear and then I pin, ow, and then I pin it up. I split the half into half again, so I have 4 strands in total at the bottom. I'm just going to take the wand, I put it behind my head and then I just twist. You guys probably don't need a lesson with how to curl hair. It's simple. So I'm just going to skim through all of this. Enjoy the music. Bye bye. So I've pretty much just done them like with the wand coming down like toward the floor, and that's how I've curled all the hair. Curling hair just takes so freaking long! I'm going to take a wide toothed comb. This one looks so nice with long hair. Just to give me some like, oh, I thought it was my drink. Some volume. And I mean, it's Khloe Kardashian. I can guarantee it's been backcombed. And then she's got like what I call a something about Mary. But hers is like that. Her, if we could just all cooperate with each other right now. Hers is like that almost. Right? Am I okay? Am I right? Am I right? I mean, if you've got longer hair, this hairstyle would be bomb. For short haired people like myself, I would have just done big loose waves like I usually do. So then guys, this is the completed Khloe Kardashian inspired makeup tutorial. I really like it, and I fell in love with this makeup when I saw it, you guys. Like I just fell in love straight away. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye!